Hello everyone, this is Bhumi Sharma from 10th B. Today I am going to tell you about Sikkim on different bases. So be here with me, don't go anywhere because today you will be able to know a lot about Sikkim. So, starting with its beauty, actually, as you all know, Sikkim is a state in our country and it is a paradise on earth. Its sheer magic, its natural beauty is just unbelievable. It's a land of rugged mountains, deep valleys, dense forests, rivers, lakes, and pagoda style houses. All of these are just awesome. Sikkim's capital and largest city is Gangtok, and Sikkim is the second smallest state in India. So now let's talk about the land area of Sikkim. So the land area of Sikkim is 7096 kilometers square. Sikkim comes at 27th rank according to area. Sikkim is India's least populous state with 6,10,577 inhabitants according to census of 2011. Sikkim is also one of the least densely populated Indian states with only 86% per square kilometer. However, it has high population growth rate averaging 12.36% between 2001 and 2011. Now I will tell you about the languages of Sikkim. Sikkim is predominant of Lepcha and Bhutia, but Nepali is the main language of Sikkim's people. Nepali, English and Hindi is major language of Sikkim. In Sikkim, 80% are the Nepali people cover the area. Nepali is the main language of Sikkim's people. This language also called Pahari, Parbate, Gorakhali language. Second one is Bhutia. Bhutia is also called Sikkimese Drenjungpa Tibetan language. They are purely of Tibetan origin and migrated to Sikkim after 15th century. Third one is Lepcha language. Lepcha language is origin of Tibeto-Burman. Actually, Lepcha's people are moved from the Assam and Burma. They are basically Mongoloid. Now let's talk about the literacy rate of Sikkim, infant mortality rate of Sikkim, and the per capita income now, of Sikkim. Now talking about the infant mortality rate. So about 16 deaths per thousand live births. In 2016, the infant mortality rate in the state of Sikkim in India was about 16 deaths per thousand live births. Now talking about the per capita income of Sikkim. So quoting the government documents and economists, the minister said that the per capita income in Sikkim is rupees 3.17 lakhs. Now talking about the literacy rate of Sikkim. So average literacy rate in Sikkim for urban regions was 89.26%, in which males were 92.94% literate while female literacy stood at 85.19%. Total literates in urban region of Sikkim were 1,22,896 of the total population of Sikkim state. Around 75.03% live in villages of rural areas. Red panda. It is the state animal of Sikkim listed as endangered in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species and under Schedule. Blood pheasant is the state bird of Sikkim. Dendrobium nobile. It is the state flower of Sikkim. The flowers of Dendrobium nobile was pale to deep purple pink with a characteristic dark velvety center.